Time for a new video. I know everybody is having some hard time all around the world, but this is a good time to show how strong people are and the solidarity around the world. So today I will make a video about Elioflex. This is a Italian TLR camera. It's made by Ferrania and it's from around 1950. So I will put this baby to work. I like to see how the pictures are coming from this particular camera, and in sign of solidarity to Italy, I will wear the red, the white and green, and don't forget, Italia, il mondo è con te.